Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to allow your owner channel to add new admins on Telegram Web using your PC, following the latest update. This process is quick and simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have full control over your channel's admin permissions. First, open Telegram Web on your browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the channel you want to edit. Once you're in, go to your channel from the list on the left side of the screen. Click to open it, and you'll see the chat section of your channel appear in the main area. Now, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu. Click on those 3 lines, and a sidebar will appear with several options. From there, select Edit. This will take you to your channel's settings page, where you can customize different aspects of your channel. Next, choose Administrators. This is the section where you can manage who helps run your channel, including adding or changing their permissions. Inside the administrators list, find and select your owner profile. You'll see several permission options appear for that role. Now, look for the option labeled Add New Admins. This setting determines whether the owner can add new administrators to the channel. Simply check the box next to Add New Admins to allow it. Once that's done, click on the tick icon at the top right corner of the page to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully enabled your owner channel to add new admins on Telegram Web.